Tool of the day, folks, the simple shop light. Use these all the time. So this is the Astro 52SLMAX wireless charging. That's the biggest feature about these that I like. They have a charging pad that they go on that's magnetic. I'll show you. Stick it on there and it charges. Pretty awesome. It's got a light in the tip, light on one side, and then light on both sides, so you can accidentally blind yourself when you're already upset. I don't use the double light feature on it very often. They are dimmable. You push and hold the button. It'll dim all the way down to its minimum setting, and then you just keep holding it, and then it goes back to its max setting, and it tells you that it's at its max or min by flashing the light. It's magnetic. It bends both ways. Has a little hook on the bottom, which is not super handy. I've never used the hook portion. Usually I just cut them off with a pair of side cutters, but super strong magnet. Usually it stays where you put it until it doesn't. And then as far as their wireless charge option, I use these a lot too. This is the 100SL. Same thing. So pretty bright. Push and hold. They dim as well. I've never really used the dimmable feature. I always leave it on its max setting. So that's that. And this has a magnet not near as strong as these, but like if I'm under a truck doing a transmission, I'll take these. I'll usually take two of these, like stick them up in the transmission tunnel, leave them on, kind of lighting the general area, and then use this to, you know, wedge into all the little nooks and crannies. But let me show you the wireless charge pad. Kind of the coolest feature of them, I think. So these little wireless charging pads, they're magnetic, so I just stick them to my box. They're USB-C, which these are also USB-C if you wanted to charge it old-fashioned. But you just throw these on the wireless charge. So I always keep two of them. They last an extremely long time. Usually one can get me through a day, but it's inevitable. I'm gonna walk away and leave one of them on. So it's kind of cool that you can just throw them up there and they just start charging. So that's it, folks. I'll put links down below. Thanks for watching.